Most fundamental thing we need to understand when it comes to social media marketing is that we must give before we ask. Give your prospects, your leads, your potential customers a lot of value. Tell them your story in a fun, engaging way. And once you've engaged them, once you've given them value, once you've educated them, once you've entertained them, then and only then should you ask for a sale. It's like the jab, 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 right hook. The name comes from a very simple boxing analogy. In boxing, the job of a boxer is to first jab the opponent, jab, 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 at the opponent for a very long time, and then at the perfect opportunity, at the perfect time, you throw a right hook when the opponent has been softened with plenty of jabs. You don't just start throwing right hooks off the bat. That's not boxing. So that's exactly how social media marketing works. Jab, 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 as in give, 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 and then you ask for value. Then you throw the right hook. That's social media marketing in today's world. So really, if you think about it, jab, 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 this is like giving, giving, giving a lot of value, putting a lot of effort into your jabs, building your reputation, engaging your users, your potential customers emotionally, putting a lot of care into what you create, putting a lot of care into your social media posts, into your content. And the amazing thing is when you put a lot of care into it, when you care about others, others care for you. It's really that simple. And once you have put those jabs out where you have given a lot of value on social media, now you can put out the right hook, which is asking for a sale, which is a promotion. And when you do it right, people will buy. A good percent of your right hooks will land. As Gary Vee says, there is no sale without the story, no knockout without the setup. So the setup is the jabs. The story are the jabs in this world of social media marketing. So how do we differentiate the two? Well, let's look at it like this. Jabbing is content that gets them to laugh, that gets them to have fun, maybe shed a tear, maybe interact with your content. They learn something new from it, and they escape from their day-to-day reality. They are educated. It's an emotionally moving moment from that content. The goal of all your jabs should be to engage your users, to educate them, to get an emotional response, and to turn them into fans of your content. And then the right hook is your call to action that benefits your business. Maybe it's a promotion, it's a sale, it's a call to action, whatever it might be. So initially throughout your process of social media marketing, you do a lot of jabbing and a few select right hooks here and there. And that's how you build a fan base and also are able to sell to them. You see, most businesses, they are throwing far too many right hooks. They're trying to just go for the sale right away. They're not engaging the customer enough. They are very hungry for their right hook to land, and they're not spending enough effort on those jabs. The jabs are crucial. So the mindset you need to have is that you need to throw more jabs and less right hooks, a lot more jabs. It's not just 3 jabs, more like 10, 15, 20. Lots and lots and lots of engaging content, and that's peppered in with your ask, your call to action, your sales message, and all those things. So that's the meta strategy of all social media marketing. If you just remember the idea that you must jab, 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 and then throw a right hook, you are well ahead of probably 90% of the businesses out there. With that